Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, my name is Tehzeeb Khan from Paradise Hope. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can install MySQL server in your Ubuntu system. So first of all, we need to open your terminal. So you please enter Control Alt plus T. Then now we will type here, so first of all, sudo apt. So that command will be update your all system libraries and packages. Now it is installed. Now we need to use command sudo apt-get install mysql-server, responsible for your installation of mysql. So now enter. I need to press Y. Now here we will see how we can change our root password, how we can change our MySQL password, because lots of people are facing the error password. So in this video I will discuss about all of these things. Now installation is done. So now we need to start our server. So need to sudo start your service, and then we need to use first command sudo mysql hyphen for you. It is you means your user, so username is root. I want to change my root password, and then after hyphen p it will show the password. So now I am enter. So they will ask about my password, so I don't know password, so I need enter to I need enter. So now I am in MySQL. So now here I need to type that command which is responsible for the change your MySQL server root user password. So I will type user. I will in single quote. So my username is root. So now I will type localhost. So first of all I need to single quotes host. Then I need to use identified with. I need to use here single quotes my SQL underscore native underscore sir password. So it is command which is I will provide you in a comment section, are responsible for change your password. So I need to write here by in capital letter. All of these command you can find into my comment section. So here I will type my password. So what is my password? So I will say something like this, Tehzeeb. So now here it is okay. Now I need to flush this all changes. So flush and hyphen sorry, semicolon. Now it is done. So now I will exit this. Now when I will use something like this, if I entered, they will say access deny for the local host. So now we will try from this method. They will also say access to deny. But if you remember, in first time we are able to enter in MySQL server, but now its password is changed. So now I need to enter those password which is I made in this video. So my password is Tehzeeb in small letter. So Tehzeeb. Now I am enter in a MySQL server. So if you want to see how many, now we can see how many users are in our SQL server. So let's we type that command. You can see how many users we have. This is basically system users and root user. So we can create also new user. You can see in this all list. So thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel for the new updates and videos.